What do you think is the right age for girls to get married? Well, we asked many women this question of various age groups ranging from 20s to 60s, and here is what they have to say. Watch it.
When are you getting married? Is such a common question faced by almost every girl as soon as she turns 18, because probably the society thinks that getting married in her 20s is the right thing to do. But according to me, one should get married whenever she wishes to.
I feel there is no right age for girls to get married because it's upon their free will as human beings to choose when to get married or to whom to get married, or even if they want to get married.
Right age for girls to get married is not assigned to any number, but it is rather assigned to certain qualities which she need to have. By the time she has it, then she is ready to get married.
My opinion is it's not about the right age. I think it's about the right stage for you to identify in your life.
I think I am eligible to answer this question. Number one, because I'm married. Number two, I've been married for almost 4 years now. So married at the age of 24. But I wouldn't say that that's the right age, and it depends on each of the girls.
Meenakshi Ahuja giving her views to you. Let me tell you all, I was married at 19 plus. I had finished my degree, BSc Home Science, and it's just that the right man came at the right time. Ours was an arranged marriage, but very much turned into love right from the day we met. And love hasn't flown out of the windows, as they say. 49 years, still going strong. I'm batting towards 50 right now, and I'm sure I'll bat further on.
First, most importantly, is that she should be matured. Because going forward in life after getting married, so she will be having more responsibilities and she will be faced with many life decisions, many life situations. So she should be able to handle all these first. Next is that she should be financially independent, at least for her own finance. She doesn't need to depend on someone else. So being financially independent will also make her confident somehow. And by being financially independent means she has already completed her education, is working, or is having her own startup or company.
And if life has, if I'm meant to get married maybe by this age, I'm open about it. And if it doesn't, then also I'm okay about it. I think the essence is that, you have to definitely be financially strong, right? So whatever life throws at you, whatever crisis that if comes in your life, right? If you're financially strong, you can handle any situation. You can still fulfill your dreams, your desires, right? And you don't have to rely on anyone else to for that, for your money requirements, right? Second, I think you have to be really, really emotionally strong, because marriage is all about sacrifices, compromises, right?
The three most important things before getting married, a girl should always be financially independent. She should have her own job, her own business or whatever, and the source of income should be there. Second thing is a little bit of maturity in terms of adjusting, maturity in terms of understanding other people, maturity in terms of, I think, also getting along with the family members is needed.
Today, the times have changed. We are in a society that has been conditioned to many of us that the right time to get married is after college. According to me, the best time to get married is when you feel comfortable and confident in your job and your personal life. See, there isn't necessarily the best age to get married, but definitely there is the best time to get married. Because the best time is when I am ready to settle down. I have made up my mind. I'm okay with the perks that I'm going to get, or I'm able to adjust, or I'm able to complete. I have my graduation and I've got my career on the ground. I'm confident that I can manage the strategies in place for a healthy, successful married life. And that is down the road, isn't it? So each girl has her own views and has her own mindset.
Handling people also, which is also very important. Then she is ready to get married. So she should also be able to take care of herself. So the moment she is okay, she's fine, she can take care of herself, take care of other people as well, then she is ready. because there are girls who are not able to take care of themselves. They are still dependent on someone else. Then how can they take care of another people? Then we know, okay, when one is ready with all those qualities, then she's ready to get married. So
Set an eligibility age. For girls it would be 22, so that they can at least finish a basic degree and be eligible enough to get a job and be self-sustainable. So, but at the end of the day, I still feel that there is no right age for girls to get married. If they find love at 20, they can get married at 20. If it's at 40 or even if it's at 60, it's her choice.
So I didn't get married because of parental or societal pressures. I got married because I had a boyfriend, I was earning, I was financially independent, my job was fine, and I thought it was necessary to take the relationship that I had with my boyfriend to the next level and start living with him. So I got married.
as we say, it doesn't depend on any number, but it rather depends when you have those qualities ready. Then
Parents should not pressurize them. See, there is, again, I'm repeating, no perfect age. It could be late 20s, it could be early 20s, it could be 30s, it could be even 40s. There's no harm in that. So, this perfect age is mentally your own prepared age of marriage. And it comes with a lot of responsibilities. Am I able to take that load on myself? Am I able to adjust myself? Am I able to move out into a new setup, adjust to the new family? So there are a lot of issues that we girls have to face. So you should be well geared right from day one. And
Because girls are free individuals who have right to decide what they want to do with their lives. They have rights to set goals and plan their life accordingly. So it's absolutely her choice that if she wants to get married in her 20s or her 30s or her 40s.
And it's time that girls are stop being seen as, pariah dhan, or as meaning that not one of us, like she's an outsider. So,
Speaking of biologically, I personally feel that age group of 23 to 28 in the 21st century is a good age for the girls to get married. But
And it's okay even she doesn't if they want to get married. So
women should be given the choice to choose if they want to get married or not. That's the more important question, if they want to get married or not.
Anytime, maybe you were 26, 28, 30, 35, right? To give you my example, I'm 35. I'm working as a senior director in one of the media agencies. I'm still single, and I don't have really any regrets about it, because the way I've experienced my life, the way I've evolved in my life, I have enjoyed every bit. I've traveled a lot on my own, right? Things that I wanted to do, I've done that.
I also would like to say, many girls today don't want to get married at all. I think it's okay. Times have changed. They want to be independent. But
by the way, adjustment does not mean compromise, so please don't confuse it. And adjustment should also come from the boy's side. And the third thing being that the mutual decision power between the boy and the girl should be there. So I think when any girl or boy reach this point, I think they are good enough to get married, be it an arranged marriage or a love marriage, and respect for each other. So I think other factors are just secondary, because ultimately it's the girl and the boy who are going to lead a life. And I think for a girl it is very important that her partner respects her. So if you
please keep in mind, marriage is not just love. It's more than that. It is a companionship. It works on trust. It works on faith. And each of you today who are listening to me, make up your mind right on the onset. Let's not have this saying that today divorces are more common than marriages. Wish you all a very happy, successful marriage life, and keep looking forward to a very happy, bright future. Signing.